Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove continue watching on Peacock TV. First, let's clear something up. Right now, Peacock TV does not have a long button option to completely turn off or hide the continue watching row. But don't worry, there are a few easy ways to clean it up. First, this is the easiest method. If something is in continue watching Peacock, keep it there because it's think you are not done. Open the show or movie, fast forward all the way to the very end and let it finish. Once it's in completely, it usually disappears from the list. If finishing doesn't work, try this. Open the show, restart it from the beginning, then exit right away. Sometimes Peacock reset the process and remove it from continue watching. Peacock lets you create multiple profiles. If you continue watching, row is messy, you can switch to a new profile for a fresh start. This won't delete the old list, but your new profile will be clean. On some devices like mobile app or web browser, you can press and hold on title in continue watching. If you see an option like remove or clear, tap it. Just know this option is available every devices. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.